I'm from Panama City, a country that named Colon. That country is dangerous. That is the dangerous country. I come out from the street. I was doing bull in the street, not doing well. So some guy told me like, okay, Guillermo, maybe sometime you will be die or be in jail. So I think you got good opportunity to do some good in your life. So that is when I think about what he was saying. So I go with him, I go to the gym, I go work. So I start like that. In my country, like I'll tell you, in the street, that is what we do to survive. Every time I be boxing in the street, like to survive, you feel me? And that is where I grow, in my ghetto country. So I got to do like that. So when I stop fighting, I still got the boxing stuff in my blood. So that is me, Guillermo Jones. We're working so hard that is why you see me relaxed, ready. I'm ready for last month. I just waiting the day, because that day you, Maron, will be killed.